Science Magic Rocks, Crystal Garden, Term 1, 2026. We explored one of nature's most fascinating chemical reactions by creating our very own crystal garden. At first glance, it almost looked like magic. We carefully placed the colourful mineral salts into a special liquid called sodium silicate, sometimes known as water glass. Almost immediately, strange plant-like structures began to appear, stretching upwards and branching out like underwater coral, alien plants, or tiny crystal trees. But what is actually happening? As the metal salts dissolved, they reacted with the sodium silicate and formed a thin mineral layer around each crystal. And this layer acted a little bit like a balloon or a membrane, and water slowly moved through this membrane in a process called osmosis, causing pressure to build inside. Eventually, the membrane could no longer handle the pressure and it bursts open, releasing more mineral-rich solution into the surrounding liquid. This process repeated over and over, causing the beautiful crystal structures to continue growing and changing before our eyes. Although this experiment is based on chemistry, it also helps us think about geology and the natural world. Many of the amazing structures we see in nature, mineral deposits, cave formations, coral-like growths, and even some ancient rock formations develop through similar processes, including minerals, water, and changing environmental conditions. For our mentees, this activity wasn't about proving a hypothesis or finding a right or wrong answer. Instead, it was just about experiencing the joy of discovery. It encouraged us to slow down and observe, to ask questions, to wonder why different colours grew in different ways, to notice patterns, to think about how something so beautiful could form from a handful of minerals and a simple chemical reaction. Most importantly, it reminds us that science is not only about formulas and textbooks. Science is about curiosity. It's about exploring the unknown, being surprised, making observations, and developing a deeper appreciation for the incredible processes happening all around us in the natural world. Sometimes the best science lessons begin with a simple thought. Wow! How did that happen? And from that sense of wonder, a lifelong love of science can grow.